Moderately thick lemonade, let's do it. I have 4 ounces of lemonade here. I'm going to add 2 doses from the pump, and that's all we're going to need to make it moderately thick. Hey folks, I'm SimplyThick John, and I love to thicken things. Well, this is thickening. Let me tell you about the International Dysphagia Diet Standardization Initiative. It was founded about 10 years ago, and it is a system of classification of food and drinks for people with swallowing problems, also known as dysphagia. Prior to that time, there were a lot of different national standards. It was very difficult to tell and compare research from different countries. So the International Dysphagia Diet Standardization Initiative has done a great job of standardizing the terminology we use around the globe, as well as test methods and definitions of what thickness levels are, as well as food characteristics. It has greatly improved things around the industry. I used to have lots of long discussions with people about how thick is thick, but the International Dysphagia Diet Standardization Initiative has provided us with a test method that I'm going to show you in just a moment here to make sure that things are the proper thickness and that you've mixed them enough. So it's been about a minute of mixing. Let's take a look. This is the test method I was talking about. You take a 10 milliliter syringe or an IDDSI funnel. You fill it up to the 10 milliliter line. You let it run for 10 seconds. And then it will tell you if it's levels 1, 2, or 3. And the key here is that you get some flow. We're going to fill it up to 10 milliliters. You can't use this for level 4 extremely thick liquids because they don't flow. So with the level 3 liquid like this that we're trying to get, we got to get down to 10 mils in there. And then we're going to let it run for 10 seconds. And you can see it's dripping. That is going to be enough to tell me that it flows. So it is not a level 4 liquid, but it also tells me that it is not going to be down into that level 2 area by the end. So you can see here we're up at level 3. It is a great moderately thick liquid, and if you taste it, you can't taste that thickener. It still tastes like lemonade. So please like and follow for more great mixing demos and information on the International Dysphagia Diet Standardization Initiative.